Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to mail merge in the new Outlook so you can send bulk individualized emails directly from the app without the old school hassle of linking multiple documents in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open a new mail and access Mail Merge settings. The first step is starting your draft. In the 2026 version of the new Outlook, the Mail Merge feature is built directly into the Compose window, moving away from the complex Word to Outlook connection of the past. Open the new Outlook app and click the New Mail button in the top left corner. Look at the top ribbon and click on the Options tab. From there, locate and click the Start Mail Merge icon. You can also find this by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Send button. In 2026, Microsoft has streamlined the workflow. By selecting Start Mail Merge within the email itself, you are toggling the message into a distribution mode. This prevents the Reply All risk and ensures that even if you add 50 people to the To field, each person receives a private, individual copy of the email without the linking document hassle. Next, add your recipient list to the To field. Now you need to tell Outlook who is receiving this bulk message. Unlike the classic method that required an Excel link, the new Outlook allows for direct input. Type or paste your list of email addresses directly into the To field. If you have a group or distribution list, you can add it here and click the plus or plus sign to expand the members into individual recipients. This is the easiest way in 2026 because it skips the Select Recipients menu from Word. By expanding the list, Outlook prepares a unique sending thread for every single address. It's faster, less prone to file not found errors, and keeps your contact management entirely within the Outlook ecosystem. Lastly, compose your message with a general greeting. Since the simplified 2026 new Mail Merge is focused on speed, you'll write one master message that applies to everyone on your list. Type out your subject line and the body of your email. Use a friendly but general greeting like Hello Team or Hi There, since the built-in Outlook Merge, unlike the advanced Word version, typically sends the identical body text to each person. High-speed communication is the priority here. In 2026, this light version of Mail Merge is perfect for company-wide announcements, event reminders, or newsletters where you want the privacy of an individual email without the overhead of complex data fields. It saves you from the BCC look, which often gets flagged as spam. And that's pretty much it. To Mail Merge in the new Outlook 2026, start a new email, go to the Options tab, and select Start Mail Merge. Add your recipients to the To field, write your message, and hit Send Mail Merge. This ensures everyone on your list gets a private, individual copy of your email, along with any attachments, all without ever leaving the Outlook app. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.